Hello! I think we're streaming, I think. This is the first live stream from myself at Weald Creative. This is in the Weald workshop. This is my workshop here. In fact, I'll just give you a little look around. Here we go. This is my little shack. I'm in Kent, in Paddock Wood, which is near Tunbridge Wells and Maidstone. And this is where I work. This is my little office. There's my standing desk, playing some rubbish at the moment. And there's my TV over there and my sofa for chilling out. And books, and here's my PC. And it's a lot better than my old office, which was just a little bedroom. So yeah, so this is me. This is Weald Creative. And what I'm hoping to do, if the camera focuses, is do some more of these live streams on occasion to show you what I do and sort of things that I'm working on. And to start off, we're going to have a look at this little Christmas thing that I started building. I've got a bit of downtime at the moment, it's a bit quiet. So I'm making Christmas cards, interactive Christmas cards, and I've done some social media stuff with, what have I done it with? I've done it with Spark for Facebook and Instagram and all that. I've also done a TikTok thing, which is waiting for approval. And this is something that I'm just doing for fun, and also to as a piece of research as well, because I'm looking into virtual reality interactive frameworks. So this is, hang on, let me just turn this music off. Hey Google, pause. So this is Unity. Let me just check actually that I am actually running now. Yes, I am. Here I am. Look. Warning, this stream's current bitrate is lower than the recommended. Why is that then? Is that because of my interwebs connections? I don't know, whatever. Well, hopefully it's okay, it's not too bad. So this is Unity, and this is the scene in Unity that I'm currently playing around with. So what I've got is a Microsoft Azure depth sensing camera, and I've already published a couple of experiments that I've done with that camera, which are on my website, and you'll find them in the labs section. But if I just take this camera off again and show you the camera, don't know if you can see that. That's it there. It's just a little depth sensing camera, uses infrared, and it used to be the first iteration of that this camera was on the old Xbox Kinect. It was released as a sort of gaming extension, never really took off for that, but now it's used by developers and people like me for tinkering with. It's used a lot in experiential, for doing interactive installations and art pieces. So what I'm going to do is show you this project which I'm working on. So these little avatars, these elves, are in here, and they're just standard elves that have been that have a basic rig, and the rig you can set up very quickly and easily using a tool like Adobe's Mixamo. And I downloaded these as a package just from the asset store, already pre-rigged, but you could use any humanoid character with a standard humanoid rig in it. And I've also got a package called, let's just check which one it's called. Let's just fetch in these packages. I could probably tell you what it is here actually. Here we go. Where is it? Oh, it's not that one. It's the Lightbuzz Azure Connect package. If you look that up on the asset store and install that, everything you need is ready to go. And in fact, the scene that I'm using is one of their pre-built scenes, which I've just edited, and it's called, yeah, there's a whole bunch of these scenes here. The one I'm using is the VR scene, Connect for Azure VR, and the camera has a few things in it. So it does the body tracking. So the Azure camera has depth sensing. It also does body tracking, so it will check it automatically. Okay, Google. It'll automatically detect your skeleton, things like that. And
I don't know, but I found these results on search.
Oh, Google. Shut up. It does body tracking, it does the depth stuff. So that I've got in set up all ready to go. This white box here is actually a video texture from the camera as well, because it's got like a standard video input as well, so you'll be able to see me in there. And also, so what have we got? So we've got the avatars, and then in this here, this demo VR game object is the script that comes with this scene as part of the Azure camera, which basically does all the sensing of the camera and all that stuff. You don't need to touch any of this. But then what it's also got is the avatars. So here's all the different avatars. So I've got 7 elves, so I've put my avatars length, the array length as 7, and then I've just added the prefabs to each of them. And then you can choose which joints it will manipulate that it will that the camera will use to edit the avatar. Each of the avatar prefabs is in here. Boom. So they're all set up basically. And the other part to this demo is all the other little assets. So I've got these little characters and stuff, and again that's just another package from the asset store called Low Poly Ice World, which I have here, which has some nice prefabs in it, including the cabin, the logs, and all these little creatures and animals like a penguin, Christmas trees, deer, all that sort of stuff. Now that's all the sort of fluff, and the good stuff is in the XR, is in the VR side of things. So I'm using a framework by Bearded Ninja Games, which is very popular for VR developers, and it's called Virtual Reality Interactive Framework, and it comes with everything you need to get going with VR. So actually all you need to do is drag in a prefab, which is in here in the player folder, called XR Rig Advanced, or you can use some of these other ones like a bare bones one. There's one that makes this a rigid body version so that you collide with things, and then there's a sort of bare bones one as well. So the advanced one is the one that I use. You literally just drag it into the scene and delete the standard camera and you're good to go. So it appears in the scene like this. This is your teleport bit and your hands and stuff. And once that's set up, there's also some other things that you get in the BNG framework folder, like weapons. So I've got a bow and arrow, and I've also got a shotgun. So let's see if I can connect this up. I'm not sure what's going to happen with the two cameras going on here, but let's see what happens. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect to the Quest link wirelessly. Okay, so that's connecting. So I'm just going to make sure that we're seeing everything okay. And what I might do here is just take off my camera, the webcam, because you're going to see me actually in here in a second. So let's do that, and let's play this. And get up. It's gone. No, it's disconnected. So let me go back in here. Hang on. The Quest link disconnected. So let me go back and reset that. Bear with me a second. Now it's back. Let's see what happens if I play it now. Yeah, I think that's it. So here we are in VR. You should see me on the Azure camera link stream here, getting up to that. Here I am. Oh, it's gone back to the bloody. No, hang on. Yeah, no, I'm back. I'm in. So here I am. Here we go. Now, as you can see, all the avatars are now rigged to my body, so they're being tracked. They're all looking over there because of my head position. It's sort of, if I do that, you'll see them. You should see them move their heads. Anyway, and there we've got the little creatures. Here's my VR hands again, and I can change the hands actually. You can change different types. You've got free flow movement, free flow, you know, whatever it's called, with the left thumbstick, or I can click the left thumbstick and then I can shoot a teleportation thing, and it's got one of those teleportations where you can actually rotate the thumbstick to choose which direction you land at as well, which is very handy. So if I go over here, I can go up here, so I can also travel up this hill. It's very hilly, this scene, for some reason. And here I am. Hello, hi. And here's my shack, as you can see, which works quite well actually with the lodge, the wooden lodge. So I might do something after the whole Christmas thing's over and done with. I might actually turn this wooden shack into some kind of Weald creative in the woods type of scenario, and because it looks like you're looking into my office sort of thing, so I could have a little forest scene around it or something. That's quite cool, I think. Let's go back to, oh, this poor fox is all stuck in the snow. Never mind, mate. Here we go, and it's a lovely scene out there. Come on, you guys, say hello. There's a little gingerbread man there, he's having fun. Aren't you, mate? Say hello to him. Hi there. He's also rigged as well. You can see him moving around. And what else do we have? We've got a fireplace over here. Yeah, here we go. Just warm my hands up by the fire there. Nice. And we go back down this hill. Now this is the fun bit. So in the Bearded Ninja Games toolkit, you pretty much have everything ready to go. So you can make things grabbable. Not sure why. Oh, there you go, got it. So you can do stuff like. Now, hopefully this should work. I've put infinite ammo in this. Usually you have to reload, but you can set it to be infinite ammo. So doing this all day long won't make much difference. and you can, thankfully, I have to keep doing this. Thankfully these elves don't die because they are immortal, as also the fox doesn't die, but these barrels do explode, or they should do. Yay, there you go. That was cool. And there's some more over here actually. Let's go over here, point to these things. Oh yeah, that's very, very satisfying. This penguin's going to get it as well. Yeah, it looks like the penguin's immortal too. But lucky for me, the barrels respawn. So, not very Christmassy, I agree, but really good fun though. And this is also the bow and arrow kit that comes with the virtual reality framework. So this is a really nice looking bow model as well. It's really good quality. I've got to be careful with this light thing above me here. So what I'm going to do is, if I do that, pull the trigger on my controller, I then have bow and arrows. I seem to have turned all the way around, haven't I? Let me just go like this, and then now I'm sort of more, might need to get this way, don't I? There we go. There we go. Sorry, gingerbread man. So I think it would be fun to have some things to shoot as that aren't just exploding barrels. So what I will do is do another demo with elves, but elves that you can actually shoot, and they will jump up when you hit them or something. Don't really want to kill them. It's pretty cool though. So yeah, Merry Christmas. What I could do is a deeper dive into the way this framework actually works, some of the code, but that'll be a longer session, I think. What was cool actually earlier was I did a shot into the air and then waited a long time. It did actually come down before, but maybe not. Maybe it's gone forever. Ah, again, that's no flake. Okay, I'll try it again. It did come down before. Maybe I need to do it. There we go. You can see it there. Here it comes. That's because it's way over there, that's why. Anyway, see if I can get the smoke. Right, so what would be good as well would be to play about with the framework, the virtual reality framework's demo scene, because there's loads of cool toys and things to play with in there. But for now, this is going to be my Christmas card sort of thing. I'm not really sure what to do with it. There might be maybe it'll be a keep fit video or something. Oh, hang on, where am I? There we go. So, or maybe I'll do some kind of fitness. Come on everyone, let's do our Christmas workouts. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2. That kind of thing. Probably, I've just realised the audio's probably not working now because I turned the camera off. Maybe it is though, I'm not sure. I don't care anyway. That's that. I think I'm going to go back to the... So